Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Today we're gonna do a cool cooking activity. We're going to make pancakes. Now these aren't gonna be your average pancakes. We're gonna make butterfly pancakes. Are you ready? Let's get started. In terms of your ingredients, all you need is your choice of pancake mix, a clementine, and some blueberries. We're gonna start by preparing your pancake mix. I'm gonna use 2 cups of mix. Pour it in, add our water, and start mixing. See you in a little bit, friends. Now, once you have your mix prepared, you can gather 2 bowls. And the reason why I'm gathering 2 bowls is I'm gonna add a little bit of color to my butter. I'm gonna add batter to each bowl. And then I'm gonna leave this bowl without any color, leave that without any food coloring. And I'm gonna add food coloring to each bowl. What color do you think I should add, friends? What do you think? Now we're gonna add a little bit of food coloring to each bowl. What colors do you think I should use, friends? Blue? All right, let's use a little bit of blue. Do a little couple squeezes, that's it. What other color, friends? Pink? Sure, we'll use some pink. Put a little bit of pink into this bowl. And then we're going to stir. And we're gonna start stirring. Do you see how the color comes in? Look at that, friends, that's awesome. I'm gonna keep stirring, and you can add as much food coloring as you like in order to get the color that you want, the shade of pink that you want, or shade of blue that you want. Now we're gonna go stir our blue bowl. Wow, do you see that, friends? So cool. Gonna keep stirring. There you go. 1 pink bowl and 1 blue bowl. Once you have your batter prepared with your food coloring, gather 2 cups and pour the batter into each cup. We're gonna pour the red batter into the cup or the pink batter into 1 cup. This makes it a little bit easier to mix them together when you're trying to cook. Pour the blue into 1 cup. And then we're gonna start to make our pancakes. Now for those who do not want any food coloring, you can just pour your batter into a measuring cup. That's fine. Let's get started. So we're gonna spray our griddle with some non-stick spray. I'm going to make 1 pancake without any food coloring. We're gonna do a circle shape. And then this is the fun part. We're gonna grab our blue cup, pour it onto our griddle, and then add a little bit of pink in with our blue. You can keep adding color as much as you want. I add a little bit more pink to it. All it's gonna do is just spread out. Take a look, friends. This is what your pancakes look like as they're cooking. Once you have your pancakes made, grab a tray, add some blueberries and some clementine. I'm gonna grab my pancake, place it onto my tray, grab my knife, cut it directly in the middle, and then we're gonna turn our wings around. So we're gonna place them down like this. Then we're gonna add our blueberries to the middle. This will be the abdomen as well as the head. I'm gonna place them right in the middle. But we're missing something. What about, now that you have your abdomen and you have your head, we're gonna use our clementines for an antenna. We need 2 of them though, right? So let's place one on top of the head and another one. Voila. Now your butterflies are complete and ready to eat. Do my friends see 3 different butterflies? Do you see one that's small, one that's medium, and one that's large? Which one are you going to eat? Hope you enjoy, friends. Have a great day.